stole it. Running on the daddy bitch too fast, I can't control it.
Got the headlights taken out. Half of my front splitter broke off, but I got a new one coming tomorrow. So that's why that look like that. Y'all don't chump me off of that. These finna change colors now. And I got a new logo on the way. This finna change yellow too. I got a new logo on the way. That finna change yellow, any color I want. And the headlights finna change colors. It's just that goddamn first step. Had to get some gas. Might pull it back up. Y'all stay tuned. I got an SS in front of me, that be loud.
Oh, excellent.
Them orange brakes go hard. Yeah, them orange brakes are crazy. With the orange logo on the front. That shit tough.
Hey, okay. I'll put the headlights on. Yeah, put them
Yeah, wind out the door.
Right. That's I'm putting on myself.
Oh, that motherfucker hit. What the fuck you put in there?
Tell me that motherfucker hit.
I can't get it right.
God damn, that bitch hit. Damn.
This came out your refrigerator. Look.
Say that's the one I'm finna put on now. See? That's the reason. That's the one that got 2 LEDs on it.
Yeah, boy, I'm gonna put my charger there.
This is actually me.
Yeah.
Man, last night I went and looked at your page. So you want to explain to me why the fuck you doing high speed chases?
Bro, I don't even know. I can't even tell you why I did that.
Fucking up.
Yeah. I just got that bit like probably like 3-4 days before that.
Cause that shit happened after I saw you at the station, right?
Hell yeah.
Alright. We're good to go.
Ain't shit happened though. They dropped all the charges and shit. I went to court quick as hell for that. Like a month later or 2 months later, they sent me to court.
Nah, I gotta put these screws in. I don't put these screws in, boy. That boy get the job in here like he's shaking like a stripper.
Shit, the rest of the car be shaking like a stripper anyway.
Right. That motherfucker.
Yeah, right.
God, that boy strip king drive right now. Which that'd be a Dallas.
Strip club? Yeah. That's my favorite one. A drive? Nah, not really.
Diamonds, nigga? Nigga, I took you to Diamonds.
Nigga, we went to the gentleman's club.
Oh, no, I didn't take you. I took Reek. My bad. Yeah, we went to the Gentleman's Club.
Diamonds right there off Northside Drive.
Yeah. I took Reek. My bad. I thought I took your ass.
Brother, you can't take it to one.
Who?
The one.
See how much cleaner that looks? Instead of them individual LEDs.
That's what the other one is?
Yeah.
For real?
Yeah. It looks like that.
Yeah. So I didn't know which one I seen that.
There should be 4 of them.
Yeah, I got you.
What did you Let's fire these bad boys up real quick. Wait. That's not right no more. Yeah. Pause video. All these motherfuckers are different colors?
You get 10% off on your next order.
See that? Shit sound crazy.
Oh,
What?
I think I know what it might be. I think I just might know. So, let me know which one of these unplugs the Halo light.
That one.
That one?
Yeah.
So, which one of these unplugs?
Joe, you made the motherfucker?
Ran that shit way up, my pockets loaded. Told my bros I take the charge, you know I don't do no folding. On silent, yeah, they know it. Having racks on, got it short. Got it on me, I'ma blow it. Took a loss, but I'm still going. Nigga better leave me alone. Nigga know this shit get wicked. I'm a real shooter, won't jump up in that car unless it's tinted. New chain, it cost a ticket. Got right out and ran on 50. Having power like I'm 50. Bankroll blue like rolling 60s. I been humble for too long. They gon' hate me when I'm poppin'. Niggas capping, you can tell. Need to tell them what to stop it. New bankroll on me heavy. Put on the gas, I hope you ready. I'm talking to again.
Need a wash. Got that new front splitter getting put on too. A little bit, need to wash bad. I gotta get used to these lights. I don't know how they got them change the colors the right way. This shit confusing as hell. Maybe I'm just tripping, but somebody let me know. Cause I can't get the colors one solid color. Like they always two different colors. Maybe he got them put it in wrong or something. I don't know. Y'all let me know in the comments. The app is called iMagic. And it's called Magic something. Magic Light, that's the name, Magic Light. I got the draw boards, the RGB draw boards, or whatever that is.
Lately been popping my shit, how I feel like the biggest. These niggas gotta be kidding. I put a switch on the back of the blitz. If I let this bitch go, he gon' die in the inch. If I let this bitch go, he gon' die in the second. I caught that boy lagging, he died with it whip. I bought that cabin, you not really stepping. If I catch a op, I'ma send on the head.